Hello friends, welcome to CAD 360. In this tutorial you will learn how to draw an arc using start, center and end point option of an arc command in AutoCAD 2018. So let's begin. You will find arc command in ribbon bar under draw panel under home tab. Click on this arc flyout and you will get these options. Okay. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about this start, center and end point option of a arc command. Click on this and your arc command will activate. Now you have to specify the start point of an arc. So this is your start point, click here. Next you have to specify the center point of the arc. So click anywhere. We are going to click here. And the distance between the center point and the start point of the arc will become the radius of the arc. If you want to change the direction of the arc, then press and hold the control key and it will change the direction of the arc. By default the direction of the arc is counterclockwise or anti-clockwise. Next you have to specify the endpoint of the arc. Click here and now you can observe that your arc is created. Okay. Now if you want to perform similar action from command bar, then you have to activate the arc command. Use A as a shortcut and then press enter to activate the arc command. Then you have to specify the start point of the arc. Next specify the second point of the arc. But since you want to center point, then activate the center option of this command, for which you have to type C, then press enter. And next you have to specify the center point and then you have to specify the end point. If you want to change the direction, then press and hold control key and it will change the direction, and then click on the end point of the arc. So in this way you can use arc command, start, center and end point option to create an arc in AutoCAD 2018. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe for more tutorial.